Hi, I'm here in one of the most popular canteens in the RP campus, where many staff and students come to enjoy their meal. What many people don't realize is that they're not alone. In fact, it's an extremely dangerous activity to be eating out here. You are constantly being spied on by opportunistic thieves literally waiting to steal your meal. So, sir, have you encountered any bird issues?
Tell you one time last year 1 sem 1, I had my ice Milo and my food, right? I say hi to my friend, he walked past only, I say hi, I turn, wow, the food gone already, the bird was eating it already, you know.
How unfortunate.
She said already to come back, maybe bold one a day.
How unfortunate. Well, thank you for sharing your sad story. So tell me, have you encountered any bird issues?
No. Actually, I think they are pretty cute.
Really?
Yes. They are part of society and have the right to eat food just like anybody else. We should not discriminate their behavior. I think the authorities should set up a bird food canteen so they don't have to steal food.
Interesting response. Thank you for your
You're welcome.
lovely time. So, have you encountered any bird issues?
Sometimes as South Canteen is open air, there'll be like bird poops suddenly dropping into my food and onto the benches, and it's very unhygienic, don't you think so?
How unfortunate.
And don't you think that we'll like get bird flu or something?
Maybe. Thank you for your opinion.
You're welcome.
No problem. So it seems there might be a different side to every story. Some people might be annoyed by the avian invasion that we have in school. Some people might feel different about it. So I guess us humans, we need to learn how to coexist with our animal friends. My name is Jimmy Andrews, and till next time, remember to tune in with us.
What happening in campus?